Knock him out. Knock him out. Knock him out. There you go. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. There you go. Come on. Move it. Move it. Make it count. Make it count. It's your last one. Last one. Let me see sweat. Go for it. Come on. Run it, man. Run, run, run. Last one. Come on. Oh, yeah. Where's that squat, Andrew? There you go. There you go. Get that squat.
Stop.
Go ahead. Come on. Knock him out. A little deeper. There you go. Come on, and come on. Home stretch. Home stretch. Home stretch. You know where it's going. Home stretch.
I will not
Home stretch.
work out with you again.
Come on. Come on, Ann. This is the last one. Last one. Last one. There you go.
Dropped it, Andrea.
How old are you, Ben? Huh? How old are you? I was gonna say, because you ain't gonna be too far behind me and her. I can tell you that right now. All right, good workout, good workout.